Hi, this is Dubis Forex Academy. Welcome to our weekly analysis. I just want to use this opportunity to apologize for not bringing our weekly analysis last week, and this week also is coming late due to some technical hitches. But thank God we are here. Please subscribe to this channel, Dubis Forex Academy, and ensure that you like this video and share this video. Let's show people how to make money trading the global financial market. So usually we normally like to start with XAUUSD, which is gold. Right, this is gold at the moment. There is a fundamental today. All right, there's going to be high impact news today, which is let's see it, Forex Factory. Let's go to Forex Factory, because what we are seeing, I'm seeing gold will most likely move very high today. Gold may touch 1860 and 1890 today. All right, so FOMC meeting today, minutes today, and it's going to be by 8 p.m. Nigerian time. Yeah, let's see. That is 8 p.m. Nigerian time. That's when the news is going to come today. So gold is going to be very volatile today. All right, but for me, actually buying gold. I'm buying gold at the moment. Look at it, 8 p.m. Nigerian time. So I'm actually buying gold. All right, you can see my position, one of my accounts, the position I have already on gold, and it's already running on profit. Yesterday we bought gold. We made over 60, 70, we make over 200 pips yesterday from gold. Yesterday we had 3 positions yesterday, and the 3 of them hit targets. We made good profits, around 200 pips yesterday from gold, or 200 and something pips here. All right, so let's see on our previous analysis on gold. This was our previous analysis on gold. Remember, we told you when gold hit here, we were selling gold, and we said that from this point, could retest, try to retest this region and come down to around this point, which actually didn't get to the entry point for those that were waiting for it to touch around 1920 before falling down. It actually moved down. Look at it, 1, 2, 3. On the 4th day, it started going down. And let's see with our Fibonacci where the price is. Right now, let's go from the last low to this high now. You see that it actually hit 38.2. So gold, actually, this is a retracement of this movement from this low to this high, and this is 38.2. 38.2. Wow. So what we should be expecting from gold from this place now, we should expect another bullish run. Right. So this is what I'm expecting from gold. So this is my new analysis on gold. So we are going to leave it like this to see if it will actually play out like this. Mind you, on 24th, which is I think on Friday, yes, there's going to be also volatility in the gold market because of this war drum that Putin and the US and everything, the thing that is happening in Russia-Ukraine fight. So there is every tendency of another war breaking out. So gold will most likely fire. So let's see what the FOMC news will come this night, and then after that on Friday also. So please, if you're trading gold, ensure you use stop loss. Don't trade without stop loss. You can see my trades. You can see my TP and stop loss. Don't trade without stop loss. From now till Friday, there's going to be huge movement on gold. Either down or up, there's going to be massive movement. So please trade with stop loss. So my bias is that gold will actually move up. So that is it for our bias. All right, congratulations to those that actually took this sell from this point to this point. So congratulations. So let's go to USD CAD. All right, USD CAD, you can see USD CAD has been moving sideways. All right, since we sold and it came to this point. We told you that we still enter another position from here, anticipating that USD CAD should go down to around 1.2900, which is here. So since then, it have not actually moved towards that. It is still it's still moving sideways. So, and that is why at the moment I'm not on USD CAD, because it's still moving sideways. So we really need to know the direction. Where is it moving? Is it actually going to start to break this high here and start to move up more, or is it going to go down to this D point? That is when we can actually start to buy USD CAD. Otherwise, any up movement, use it as a means of selling, as an entry point for selling. That is it for USD CAD. Let's go to Euro CAD. Euro CAD, we actually harvested here over 250 pips. When price touched our entry point, this zone, we started selling. So at the moment, these retracements, once we see price or any meaningful price action for us to short again, we will actually do that. So if you are not on our free group, please go there. And also, if you want to really get the entry point accurately, to get our entry point and exit point, then you need to join our paid group. All right. So our free group is Dubis, Win Forex with Dubis. That is our free group, Win Forex with Dubis. So let's see if price we get to maybe around this zone, then we short. We need to get good entry points and also low risk to high reward ratio. We want low risk and high reward. So let's see, once we see a rejection for this movement, we'll short again. All right, that is it for Euro CAD. But congratulations to all those that joined the trade from this point. If you measure from where we started selling Euro CAD, you see, look at it, 300 something pips made from Euro CAD. All right, so let's go to USD JPY. USD JPY, USD JPY. All right, for those that have been following our previous video, you see the last one we dropped here. Let me remove this indicator. Get the pattern. All right, yeah, let me pattern. So USD JPY, we have actually been selling USD JPY, and we were actually trying to see if price could touch this place. So at the moment, look at where price touched before going up. Right, so what we are still expecting is that once you see a good rejection, we are still expecting price to still move down. So after this, all this movement, we are still expecting that price to move down. So but currently I'm not on USD JPY, but if you're looking for the direction for USD JPY, so it should be look for opportunity to sell rather than buy where USD JPY is now, because we are still waiting for price to move down, at least to touch this support zone here before any meaningful movement back upwards. All right, so let's go to AUD USD. Right, our previous video on AUD USD, we told you price actually played exactly what we forecasted. Look at the analysis. Our analysis was that price should go down from this point, and it went down, and we harvested good profit. And I told you that price will most likely bounce, and after from this point and go down. So look at it, price bounce, and now it have come down. All right, so what we are looking for now is a good rejection. So based on the news that will come this night, so AUD will most likely go back up. You can see this rejection, and then price move up. It's trying to retest. So if price break this particular candle here, it may come down to this zone. Then from there, price will go up. So actually, like what I said before, this is XA. This is what we are looking for. We are looking for the D points. Alright? Okay. Something like this, and price will fly up. So most likely AUD USD, boom. This is what we are looking for. Price to do something like this and then fire up. So this is analysis for AUD USD. So let's go to lower time frame and see whether there's entry points. Yeah, you can see on lower time frame, you can see that there's harmonic here. on lower time frame. There is a harmonic here. So let's see what will happen. But on a higher time frame, we are anticipating that price should move back up to this region again. All right. So let's go to NZD USD. What I said with NZD USD, we are actually also looking for price to bounce. What we analyzed before, price actually did exactly what we said. We told you that when we started starting from here, that price will just do a retracement and go down more to test 38.2, right? But price have not touched 38.2. But where the price is now is giving us sign that price may actually start to move up from there. So same thing, what we may see here also, look at what this particular thing may also play out. All right, this is what we are also trying to see. Okay, which one do we use? This one, which one is higher? Maybe something like this. All right, so let's see. So we are still expecting price also to move up. Once price move down, any movement down is an opportunity to buy. So this is what we are anticipating price to do, right? So this analysis for NZD USD. So look for opportunity to buy rather than sell, right? So let's go to Euro USD. All right, Euro USD. All right, Euro USD. Let's go to daily time frame. On daily time frame for Euro USD, remember we told you that price should retrace from this particular zone, supply zone. But you see what price did? Price tried to break it. This is fake breakout, and it went down. So we're sure when we told you that we had to sell Euro USD. Some persons actually that use tight stop loss, it hit their stop loss. But those that actually follow that direction made profit because price just did this. Look at it, this is a fake breakout, and it went down. So Euro USD may also still go down more before price will actually move up. But whichever point, Euro USD is on its way up. So this is just a retracement which may also be over today based on the news today. All right. Okay, so for Euro USD, so I look for opportunity to buy rather than sell. So this retracement is almost getting to an over, so we look for opportunity to buy Euro USD. So let's see how the news comes out this evening, this night. So same with GBP USD. For GBP USD, actually we have been buying GBP USD, but the last one we bought actually hit our stop loss and then still later went up. So for GBP/USD, look at what we told you. This is our long-time analysis for GBP/USD that we dropped since, and then as you can see that price, let's delete this and make our chart clean. You can see that price is actually have not actually moved massively. That we have been grinding results, taking 50, 100, 150 to 200 pips from all this movement because this is daily time frame. So, but what we are still looking at for GBP/USD on the long time is for price to move up to this region. You can see how our arrow is pointing. This was the first, what we anticipated before was price could touch 38.2 and 61.8. And when we saw that there was a rejection at 23.6, we started buying GBP/USD, and so far so good. Cumulatively, we are profit for GBP/USD. So for this week, also depending on the news this night, so GBP/USD may also go further upward move today. All right. So GBP/CHF. So I want to add this particular one, GBP/CHF. Because we have been buying GBP/CHF. So let's analyze it for those of you that is on our paid group also that is seeing, so that you know what we are seeing on GBP/CHF. Let's go to high time frame. This is what we are seeing on GBP/CHF. You can see that this place now is a strong zone where this price is now. So let's use this and then you can see this particular zone. You see that is a strong zone. So GBP-CHF, this is what we're expecting. Price to move, to break out and then move further up. So our last signal we sent for GBP-CHF, we have already made how much? We have already made around 100 pips plus for the last signal we sent for GBP-CHF. So we're actually buying GBP-CHF. All right. So it was yesterday that it moved over 100 pips yesterday. So congratulations to all those that took the trade for GBP-CHF, because price is have continued to grind higher based on our forecast, based on our analysis, and we send out those signals, all right, to our paid group. So congratulations once again to those that took the trade. So we still anticipate and expect price to move higher more, right? Okay, that is for GBP-CHF. All right, so let's go to CHF-JPY. You can see CHF-JPY didn't do well based on analysis, because we were thinking that price should go down from this point, even from here. So look at where the last analysis we did was price will go down. So actually price went down, and then after that it went back upwards. Look at it. So we made over, I think, around 150 pips. Yes, that was what we made from this point. Let's measure it and see. Look at it. 100 and something pips we made from this movement. And before you know it, price started going up. At the moment, you can see I have a lot of position for CHF-JPY. Still believing that price should go down from this place. But if price didn't go down, and look at where my stop loss is, once price didn't go down, hit me on stop loss, I will be out of all these trades. So I'm still waiting, believing that price should go down even from this place. So let's see what will happen. So I believe that price should go down from this point. So I'll leave it like this. After we'll come back and see if this actually hit my stop loss or it went down more. So I'm believing that JPY should be strong, because JPY have been very weak. So if eventually JPY becomes strong, then this pair will go down. Look at where I used to check the strength of all the pairs. So at the moment now you can see the strongest right now is GBP. JPY is weak, but I think it's trying to regain, because JPY have been very weak, but right now it's like it's trying to regain its strength. And the AUD is also weak for today. USD somehow is still strong by 2. So but GBP is the strongest for today. So let's see how before today goes, if it will continue to be like that. Okay, so let's go to Euro GBP. Wow, this is amazing. For Euro GBP, this played out. We were selling Euro GBP. So let's go back. Let's see. Let's go to daily time frame. So if you have been following, you see that we have been actually selling Euro GBP from this point. We sold. We are waiting for price to get down to around 0.85472, around this region. But price went down to this point and went back up, and it broke this place. And immediately break this place, we also send another trade, which is around here. This is the entry point, and this is the stop loss. 0900 was the stop loss. Okay, so and you can see how much we have made from that trade. We send it to our pay group. Look at how much we have made. This over 180 pips made already. So we are still believing that price will go down more for Euro GBP. All right. So I'm going to show you our pay group for you to see some of those trades we sent on the pay group. I'm going to show you on Telegram right now so that you see it. Okay. All right. Before then, let's also look at Euro JPY. This is Euro JPY. Okay. Euro JPY, we have been selling from this region, and then you can see that price tried to break out from here, but we are still seeing that whatever this movement now is still an opportunity to sell more, because we are still believing that Euro JPY, that price should go down more, even from this region. right? So let's see where price is. Look at this resistance. Let's see whether that's where price is. Yes, price is currently at this resistance. This is a key level, so you might as well take your position for sell for Euro JPY, because price will go down more. Look at it from here. So I think I'll be shorting Euro JPY. Yes, I'm not on the trade so at the moment, but I've seen that there's opportunity to sell Euro JPY, so I'm going to take my trade for Euro JPY. So we believe that price should still go down. So during our next analysis, we'll come back and see how this thing is fair. All right? Okay, so let's go to our Telegram. All right, so these are Telegram channel. These are free Telegram channel. Win Forex with Dubis. Please subscribe to our Telegram channel. Win Forex with Dubis. So these are Telegram channel. Win Forex with Dubis. All right. So on there you will see. All right. These are some videos, some trading and stuff. All right. So these are free Telegram channel. Win Forex with Dubis on Telegram. You go there. You see our results. You see what we have done. So let's go to our pay group. This is our pay group. Right, just want to show you our pay group so that you see some of those trades. Look at yesterday. Yesterday, I told you that we bought gold 70 pips, 60 pips, and 100 pips. 70 plus 60 is 130 plus 100, so 230 pips is what we made yesterday from gold alone. All right, look at when it was sent by 3 positions. And all of them hits target. All right. Okay. This is yesterday on Monday on. We also hits our target. This is what we made last week. We made 870 pips last week. We had 3 stop loss last week. Okay. So look at it. Look at the GBP USD. I told you it actually hit stop loss, but we have been buying and we have been making profits. But unfortunately, last week on his stop loss, before it still eventually went the right direction that we forecasted. So these are some of our trades when it was sent, and once it hit target, we update. So these are paid group, and you can see all those analyses. We actually take those trades and we make profit from them. If you go there, if you go to our free group, you watch some of the trades. We also make some videos to show people. All right, this is what we made the previous week. Second week of February, look at it, 6 to 10, we made 1,410 pips. So this is how we roll. This is our pay group. So guys, we are actually grinding results. Charts me, go to our Telegram channel so that you can also see how to get me at Dubis1 on Telegram. You can chat me and reach me. We'll show you how to get connected, how to join our pay group. So congratulations in advance for those that will be taking action and take our trades. Look at the gold that I told you is already moving. It's going towards TP. Let me go to H1, the gold that I started buying. Right? I will still, after this, once it get to this and hit this TP, once it retraces again, I will still enter again. Right? So, wow. Guys, let's trade and make good profit from the global financial markets. So these accounts that I'm showing you, that is here. I started this account with just $100, and I've already made over, what is 100%? Over 800%. The account is currently at $800 as we speak now, all right? And I've been withdrawing. So by this week, I want to get this account to $1,000 to let people know you can trade profitable in the global financial market. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel, Dubis Forex Academy, and then hit the button to turn on the notification button so that anytime we send videos, we will be first to notify. Thank you very much. Like this video and share the video. Thank you very much for watching.